Hi everyone. Now we are continuing chapter 1, connecting forces, lessons 4 and 5. We will talk about magnets, okay? Magnets use force. As we said that everything uses force. So magnets use it. We call it magnetic force. Magnetic force, okay? But first, what's the magnet? The magnet is the object that attracts other things, magnetic material. This is the magnet that attracts magnetic materials, okay? We have different shapes of magnets, okay? The first one, as you can see in the picture, the cylindrical magnet. The other one is the oval shaped magnet. This one you play with it all the time. And we have the ring magnet. It has this shape. Actually, this one has the same color. It's gray, but this is a cover for it, that's all. We have the bar magnet, okay? This one, we call it horseshoe magnet because it looks like the bottom of the, a horseshoe, okay? And the last one is the needle magnet, okay? It's very thin. It's like a needle, okay? These are the shapes of the magnet. And we said the magnet is the object that attracts magnetic material. But what are the magnetic materials? They are the materials that we use that attracts to the magnet. The things that attract to the magnet, like iron, nickel, and cobalt. Okay? There are a lot of materials, a lot of metals. 3 metals, iron, nickel, and cobalt, these 3 are magnetic materials. They are the only magnetic materials we have. Okay? These are the 3 things that attract to the magnet. For example, this one is gold. If I hold it near a magnet, it's not going to attract it because gold is not a magnetic material. Okay? But if we said that this flag is iron, so it will attract to it. Okay? Let me see. It got attracted to it. See? Because this one is made of iron. It got attracted. You can see? Because this one is magnetic. Okay? But the ring, which is gold, it's not magnetic material. Okay? So, the magnetic materials are the materials that get attracted to the magnet, which is 3 things. Only these 3 things. Iron, nickel, and cobalt. But the non-magnetic materials are the material that doesn't get attracted to the magnet, like the gold, wood, plastic, copper, paper, and glass. These things don't attract to the magnet, as you can see. They are non-magnetic materials. Okay, now you know the difference. Magnetic things that attracts, like iron. Okay, the non-magnetic things that don't attract, like everything or anything else. Okay, now let's know that these magnets are made of iron itself. So magnets are made of iron and it gets attracted to iron too. The magnet has 2 poles. It's called north and south. Any magnet has 2 poles, north and south. Okay? The north one, it has the red color, and the south one has the blue color. If you can see, the magnet has 2 poles. The north one has a red color and the south one has a blue color. Okay? The poles of the magnet are the strongest part. They are the strongest part of the magnet. They attract most of the material. Okay? The poles attract a lot of iron fillings or iron powder, but the metal is weak. If you look at the picture, you will see that the poles attract most or the highest amount of the iron powder or iron filling. Okay? But the metal, it didn't attract that much because the metal is a weak part of the magnet, but the poles are the strongest. Okay? So, what's gonna happen if we have 2 magnets together? Okay? The like poles repel. What's meant by like poles repel? It means if we have north and north, or south and south, they will repel. They're not going to get attracted to each other, okay? Like this one here, but of course it's covered with plastic, so you're not going to see color, okay? This one is North Pole and this one is North. When I put them together, they're not coming together. I'm trying, but they're not catching because they are alike. They're north and north or south and south, see? They don't get attracted. But if we have north and south together, they attract, okay? So unlike poles, the different poles attract each other. They get attracted, as you can see. But like poles, they don't attract, okay? They don't attract. They repel each other. They make it go in the other direction. But if they are unlike, they will attract, okay? In this one, you're going to see the north and south, they will attract together, but north and north and south, they will repel each other. They're not going to attract. This is the lesson of today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and goodbye.